Hello my friends, welcome back to our series lessons for the absolute beginners. This year would be the sixth lesson, I think, in our series, and what we did until now, we learned the single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. I think we have extended double crochet, treble, and then here we started working in back loop only, and I did the single, the double, extended, and treble below. And as I said last time, I'm going to show you now how to work in the front loop only. Let me bring this old scrunchie paper back again. This was a symbol for the back loop only. Now for the front loop only, it's going to look like this. Okay, and I'm not using that much. I don't know if I use that much the front loop only, but if you want to try mosaic crochet, which is a very nice kind of crochet, you would need it. And yeah, you can need it in other projects too. So I'm going to take my wire, the red one, and we are going to start. Okay, so I have here my first row, and we are going to start with I'm going to make a knot here later. Chain one and a single crochet in the beginning, like the border, and I'm going to start again with a single crochet, and like this we can make a recap on how we make single crochet. So for the front loop only, so I'm going to show you again how it looks. If you hold it like this, it looks like this. We have these small V's here on top. This would be the back loop. This is the front loop, and until now we practiced in lesson number 5, we practiced work just in this loop, and we would take it like this. Now we are going to work just in this one, and we are going to take it like this. So go under here and go out here. Okay, so let me try to bring it closer to you. So I go in here, take it from under, and then for the single crochet just take it out and pull through both of them. So again, here, go under here, but instead going through both loops, we go just through one of them. We take it out in the middle. Okay, and like this. So again, we put it in here, but instead of going through both loops like normal, we just go out in the middle and like this. So again, go in here, but don't go the whole way, just take it out in the middle. Bring the yarn here, you have 2 loops and you take it. So this would be working in the front loop only, and the single crochet. Okay, so it's going to look like this. And after this one, I'm going to try to make one more to see how is it getting, how is the texture, and how does it look after a few rows. So I'm just going to try to finish this row Okay, get out in the middle. In the middle, grab it through. Out here. It is a little fur for me, and I think it's a little bit more difficult at the back loop only. So it's a bit more difficult to find your way. But if you work loose enough, so it's okay. Come on. Okay. I'm getting closer to the end, and then we are going to turn and start a new row. Okay. Yes, yeah, it happens. I have this one here, and now I have this one, and don't forget to take the last one. Always don't forget to make to put a single crochet in the chain 3. Okay, so now I'm going to chain 1, turn the work. I'm going to make a regular crochet here in the edge, the border. Okay, and now I'm going to start again. So you have these. So I'm going to put it in here, but instead of going through both loops, I'm going just to take this one. Okay, pull it through and then through 2. Okay, so put it in and then out just 1 loop. So again, in and you take it out in the middle. Okay, so you go in like a regular. Don't take both of them, just take this one. Okay, and I'm going to make just a few more, and I want to see how it looks like. Okay, it looks like this. And working in back loops and front loop only, you can do all the types of you can make in back loop and front loop only, single crochet, double crochet, half double, extended treble, double treble, and so on. So you can we should train to make all these kind of stitches in front loop only again, and like this we are going, our scarf is going to grow. And I'm going to make a different color for each stitch. I was just thinking to start the 3rd row, because then I think we are going to see a little bit better the how this model looks like. Okay, I'm getting close to the end. Okay, I think I have, okay, and now I have the last one. Okay, I make a chain one, then turn the work, and I'm going to make here in the beginning, I'm going to make a single crochet in both loops, regular. And now again, front loop only, so just take the front loop, so go in here and just, I'm going to show you again. So if I'm doing a regular, I take it like this, put it inside here, and take 2 loops. For the front loop only, I get out here between them. Okay, I hope you can see well. Again, front loop, just a few more to see how it looks. I'm very curious too, because I never tried actually to make front loop only, and I'm curious if it looks like the back loop only. No, it is different. I didn't know that. Okay, I learned to. I think it's different. Yeah, it looks different. I was thinking it's the same. It would look the same because yeah, you just turned, but no, it looks a little bit different. But I don't know if it makes any sense to work something in front loop only of whole project. But just for you to know, it's good to practice this. And I'm going to do a few rows in red with single crochet back loop only. Then I'm going to do half double crochet front loop only, double crochet, no, extended double crochet, and treble crochet in different colors. But it doesn't make sense to keep you here this whole time. So I'm just going to make sure you understood. I'm going to show you now how to make the next section of your scarf, half double crochet front loop only, and we make a recap for the half double crochet with this occasion. So the half double crochet, we would yarn over, so yarn over, and now just the only difference is that instead of going through both loops, we go through this front loop. And the double crochet was, we pull the yarn, the half double, and then yarn over, we take through all 3 loops. Okay, I'm going to make one more. So the half, this is the half double crochet, yarn over, go inside here in the front loop only, okay, and pull out the yarn, and then just go and grab the yarn and pull it through 3. Okay, this is going to be another section just in half double crochet front loop only. The next section is going to be double crochet, and for the double crochet, which is the most used, we yarn over and go, we start as the half double crochet, yeah, we insert the hook and bring the yarn out, and now we take, first we pull the yarn through 2 loops, then again we grab the yarn and we pull it through 2 loops again. Okay, one more, yarn over, go inside and pull the yarn out, and then we go 2 and again grab the yarn and go 2, yarn over, the last one, go inside and bring the yarn, and when you have 3 loops, you go through 2 and then grab it again, go through 2. Next it should be the extended double crochet. One kind of extended, the first type is so it's again the same stuff, yarn over one time, go inside and bring it. I'm going to show you the first type that you extend in the beginning or in the down part. So first you pull through 1, then you pull through, grab again, pull through 2, grab again, pull through 2 again, 1 more. So the first kind of extended double crochet, bring the yarn here, and when you have 3 loops, first through 1, then grab it 2 and 2 again, and another kind of extended, yarn over, go inside here and grab it. When you have it, you pull through 2, then pull through 1 and pull through 2. Okay, and I'm going to show you one more time this one. So you have 3 loops, pull through 2, pull through 1, pull through 2. This is the other way of making an extended double crochet. Okay, so I showed you the I showed you the single, half, double, extended double, and now we go with the treble crochet. We were yarning over 2 times and then go inside and bring the yarn out, and we pull through 2 each time. 1 through 2, yeah, again through 2 again, through 2 again. Okay, this is a treble. So yarn over 2 times, and bring the yarn out, and now 2, yarn over again, 2, not yarn over, just grab it and pull it. Yeah, and then you can try to make with yarning over 3 times, which would be a double treble. Yeah. So, but all this kind of stitches, if you want to see them better, just go and check the first lessons, because yeah, we have the first lesson was a single, then half double, double, and then even in the 5th lesson, the lesson before we made again, I showed you how to make the single, half double crochet, extended, and all these kinds. It was the only difference was that it was just in the back loop. Now the difference is that it is in the front loop, but it's the same stitches. So the main things you already learned in the first 3 lessons, I think 4 lessons. We are just making a recap and just working different loops in the front or the back, not in both. So I'm going to go back to where I had just single crochet, and I'm going to make my section of single crochet front loop only here, and then I'm going to change the color and make the half double crochet front loop only, and then change the color again and make the double crochet front loop only, and then extended double front loop only, so that I can get a nice big scarf. So you train how many rows you want, and then see you again when you finished practicing the front loop only, and probably this time we are going to that's in the lesson 7 I'm going to teach you how to do front post and back post double crochet. Yeah, probably we can learn them together. I mean, both front post and back post in the same lesson. That being said, I think you have enough to practice until next time. Happy crocheting, have a very nice day, and see you in the next